about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice.
Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. I am your sexy host, Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book, Stop Being a Broke Loser. I think Meet Kevin should read that book. It's on Amazon for $3. And hater of Meet Kevin and his stupid freaking stocks that he pumps on people. Now, today, I noticed that SOFI Technologies, one of the stocks that Meet Kevin has been watching, and I know he's been watching it because I saw on Millennial Money that he mentioned it. One of the stocks that he mentioned has now dropped to the point where he thinks it's a good buy. So I guarantee you in the next couple of days, he's going to pump out a video telling you to buy SOFI. Let's go look at this company and see how amazing it is. Now, I went on Morningstar. I was like, okay, let's go look up SOFI. I don't know anything about this company. I know Meet Kevin loves it, so it's probably highly speculative trash. The first thing I did was, let's go look at the financials. But it doesn't seem to load. That's weird. So then I go down, and I read a little bit about the company. No moat. Okay, so it has no moat. What is SOFI? They're basically almost like a bank. They do student loans, they do mortgages. I think they're trying to start like an investment component. They have a couple things that are all, related to the financial industry. But at the end of the day, I don't care how new and exciting they are. Apparently they're like really, appealing to millennials. What I want to see is that a business has a moat and that it's profitable. This business does not have a moat. It's a new company. It just started trading. And it's not even close to profitability, okay? It's a freaking disaster. So, of course, Meet Kevin has been pumping it on his YouTube channel. Now, look what happened to SOFI. It looks like it was listed on November 30th, 2020. And then it shot up, and then it crashed. And then it shot up, and then it crashed. And recently, what really caught my eye was today it went down by 14%. Now, let's watch this quick video where Meet Kevin discusses his juicy stock. And you're going to see that his buy point is going to be right now. So he's going to start pumping this stock. But I want you to keep in mind, this company is so new. There's barely any financial data. And it's not profitable. It is way too early for you to buy a stock like this, okay? Instead of buying an unprofitable stock, crossing your fingers and hoping that it makes you money by going up because other clowns buy it, you could instead max your IRA or your 401k and buy an index fund and leave individual stock picking to clowns like Meet Kevin. Because in the long run, he doesn't know how this company's going to do. He's just throwing crap on the wall and hoping something sticks because he makes so much money from YouTube that even if he's wrong about something like SOFI, it doesn't matter. But if he tells you to buy SOFI right now at roughly $15 and then it tanks again, you're the one that's going to be screwed and he's going to be fine. Let's listen to Kevin's genius buy points for SOFI. Let's see what he has to say. I'm very interested.
It's brilliant.
It's brilliant.
Yeah, so, what price would it take for you to invest in there, Kevin? 16, 15?
Invested on dip they had yesterday at 1772.
And this is July 2nd, 2020. So, on July 2nd, let's see. Where are you? So, it looks like the stock was trading at $18 on July 2nd when they made this video.
Who I put money in? It's at like $8.90 or something like right now. Personally, I would love to just nibble at it here or there, and like the 18 is fine with me in that 18 range. Probably, I'm looking for like for me to actually go in it, where I'm going multi six figures or whatever into it. If I got it for like 15, it'd be just pure upside. I feel like for me.
Hear that? At 15. Look where the stock is sitting. 15. This clown is going to put out a video pretty shortly telling you to buy this stock. But listen to what he said. Oh, I bought some at 18. I want to nibble at it at 18. Why? Why are you nibbling at it at 18? What is so special about 18? Did you do any kind of analysis? No, you're literally just throwing crap. And whenever you see a dip in a stock, that's a growth stock, you buy it. That's literally all he does. There's no logic. There's just hoping and spraying and praying. And whenever one of his stocks goes up, he claims he's a genius, even though he ignores the ones that went down. You don't want to invest in this stock, okay? It's freaking too early. It is way too speculative. I mean, look at the numbers. So I pulled up the unaudited statement of operations. So the profit, the net income or loss was $165 million. Damn, that's a pretty big loss. Let's look at the statement of cash flows. Let's see. Well, that's the balance sheet. Statement of cash flows. Looks like they actually had positive cash flows from operations. But what worries me is you compare that to the year prior. They had, $394 million of operating cash flow in 2020 in the first 6 months. And that dropped to $82 million. So they're burning a lot of cash. And that's significantly decreased. That's pretty worrying. Another thing I'd worry about is freaking financing. They're probably going to issue more shares because they're losing money. And they probably need more cash to expand the business. So I would be very wary of buying this stock. Not profitable in the least, at least on the accrual basis of accounting. They're going to dilute the current shareholders. And the people that are telling you to buy this stock have no reason why they're buying it. And last but not least, there's no moat. Okay, there's tons of financial services. There's tons of fintech companies out there. What makes SOFI so special? Nothing. You're just guessing, hoping, spraying, and praying that this stock does better. Deep down, you know I'm right. Are you really doing fundamental analysis? How are you judging when to buy these stocks? If you don't know, if you're not sure, don't just listen to somebody on YouTube. Take the money, put it in an index fund, and then when you actually do your own due diligence, then you can consider buying a stock. But right now, I would not touch this garbage. That's it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, unsubscribe from Meet Kevin. He's a freaking moron. And y'all have a wonderful, delicious day.